Returning statement. So now let's see the concept of returning statement. Returning statement is basically used by a return keyword, which is used to return the values from user-defined functions to the calling statement. So here are some examples of return statement, or how you can return values. The difference between this return that I'm using in Python or in previous languages we have used return, we can only return a single value at a time. But in Python you can return a value by a comma. You can say by this you can return more than one value at a time. Return, simply write the variables with the help of comma, then it will return more than one value at a time. So here's the example how it is returning multiple values at a time. See what I did here. I make a function named fsum underscore sub ab. Simply I am just calculating first time addition of these two numbers, then I am calculating the subtraction of these two numbers. I am returning two variables, that is c comma d. This will not work in C, C++. It will give you error, as return statement always return a single value at a time, but here it will work. And here I called this function and simply display the results of this function. So let's see the practical of this, how to return values. So here is the example. See, when I run it, it simply gives the value. When I'm providing 10 and 5, it will first add, then return the 15, and when the subtraction call, that is d, then 10 minus 5, it will result in 5. Okay, so by this way you can return more than one value at a time by return statement. Now move to next, that is your recursive function. So what is recursive function in Python? Recursive functions are basically those which calls itself, that are recursive. In a function, when a function call again and again itself, then it is called a recursive function. See how, here's an example of this. I'll make an example that by name of function is pr and a variable is passed here. I simply check a condition. If that number that is passed here is greater than 0, then you have to print a, then again pr a minus b. That means here is recursion going on. When you again calculate pr a minus 1, that is, see here I am passing 5, then first it will check 5 is greater than 0, print, it will print 5, and pr 5 minus 1, that is 4. Then pr 4 means again this function is called, that is pr 4 by the value of 4. Again it will check 4 greater than 0, again it will print, then what will happen, 4 minus 1 pr 3, again it will continue. So in this program, what is going on, a function is calling itself again and again until जब तक ये condition true है. When this condition become false, it will return the values. Okay, so here I am calling this function by the value of 5. Okay, so that is the example of recursive function. Next move to our last topic of functions, as functions is a topic that is very large, and in further sessions we will continue this topic side by side, or will learn many things of functions with that concepts. So now move to for this time, now move to the last topic of functions, that is local and global variables. So first of all, let's discuss what are these variables. I'll just explain some differences here, that local variables is declared inside a function, whereas global variable is declared outside the function. That means local variable is only accessible within the function, whereas global function can be accessed outside the function or everywhere in the program. So here are some differences. Let's understand these two concepts, that is local and global, by an example. So first of all, I have a local variable. What is local variable? It is defined as a type of variable declared within programming block or subroutines within the function. It can only be used inside the code block or in which it is declared. It exists until the block of function is under execution. After that, it will be destroyed automatically. So here I'll make a function and with the variable z equal to 10 with local. So when I am going to print it, it will print local variable value z. When I called it, it will print local value variable z, that is 10. But as it is a local variable, when this statement is called, it will not print any value outside the variable local value, outside value it will not print here. Why? As the functioning of local variable is restricted to this block, this particular function block. Next is let me show you the example of this, then move to next. So see, here I have run the recursive function program. Now let's see the example of local variable, how to use local variable in a function or in a program. See, here I'll make a function name funct and declare a variable. It is a local variable as it is used inside the function. Simply I'll just print it, and when I call the function, I'm getting local variable value, that is 10. See, when I try to access outside the function C simply, then see what will happen. If it will give you an error that name C is not defined. As why? As C is a local variable and it can't be accessible from it can't be accessible outside the function. So, okay. So next is your global variable. What is global variable? For this, as the limitation comes out from local variable, we use functions as global variable. Global variables can be accessed throughout the program. In case of local variable, the changes made to it is available only within the corresponding function. Whereas in case of global variable, the changes made in any user-defined function will be reflected and available to all other user-defined functions. So let's see the example. See, here I'll just declare a z equal to 10. It is a global variable and I'm using this variable in this function also and outside the program also, and simply getting the output, that is global variable value 10 within the function, and when it is accessed at outside, then it also works and print the value 10 outside the function. So it is the advantage of global variable, that it can work within the function as well as outside the function. Now last but not least, here is another statement, that is a global statement. If you want to use a variable, local variable outside the program, outside the function, then how will you do so? In Python, global statement is used to declare the variable as a global variable. Once the variable is declared as global, the corresponding variable can be available in any other function. With the help of global keyword, you can access a local variable outside the program. See what I did here, I declare a function with the help of global keyword and assign a value 10. When I have accessed within the function, it will print value 10. Again, when I am trying to print value outside the function, it is also giving the value, that is 10. So with the help of global statement, you can access the particular local variable outside the function also.